In today's video, I'm going to teach you automating short-form Bible character videos with n8n, OpenAI, Veo3, and Google Sheets. We're building a hands-free pipeline that turns ideas into ready-to-use short videos and neatly logs everything for tracking. Start in n8n by adding a schedule trigger. This is what wakes your workflow up on a rhythm, daily, hourly, or whatever cadence makes sense, so you don't have to press run every time. A consistent interval keeps your content queue fresh and predictable. Next, plug in the idea engine. Use OpenAI, along with any reasoning tools you prefer, to generate short-form video ideas where a biblical character speaks directly to camera. Prompt for a clear concept, a punchy caption, a defined environment, and a status field. Be specific about tone, length, and audience, and guide the model to remain respectful and historically informed. Keep your prompts reusable so the ideas stay on-brand across runs. With the idea in hand, translate it into a cinematic instruction set for Veo3. This prompt should fuse the concept and environment into visuals, frame the character, define lighting and color palette, note wardrobe and era cues, and map out camera movement, like opening on a medium close-up, slow dolly in, or a moody push through practical fog. The more concrete your visual language, the more consistent the generated footage. Before you create anything, save the metadata. Write the idea, caption, environment, and status to Google Sheets. Use a dedicated sheet with clear columns so you can filter, sort, and track revisions over time. This becomes your single source of truth for planning and analytics. Now send the prompt to Veo3 to create the video. Keep the payload clean and validated, no empty fields or stray characters, and make sure your model and aspect ratio match your target platform. After the request, pause the workflow for about 10 minutes. This buffer gives Veo3 time to render without you hammering the API or advancing too early. If your queue runs longer, increase the delay to match real processing times. Once the wait is over, fetch the finished video from Veo3. Confirm you've received a valid URL and any accompanying metadata, like duration or resolution. Then store that video URL back in Google Sheets. Align to the same row as the idea so you can preview, schedule, or publish straight from your tracker. Finally, add a sticky note in the workflow canvas that explains the whole automation at a glance. It's a quick visual reminder for you or collaborators so no one has to dig through every node to understand what's happening.